Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to get Google Gemini API key. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and head over to aistudio.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If it's your first time visiting, you may be asked to accept the terms of use. After that, you'll be taken to the Google AI Studio dashboard. Look for the option in the top right or side menu that says Get API Key or API Access. Click on it to begin generating your API key. Once generated, you'll see your Gemini API key on the screen. Click Copy to save it for use in your applications or scripts. You can now use this API key in tools like Postman, Python, or any application that supports Gemini models via API. Make sure to keep your key safe and don't share it publicly. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.